Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to look at a new floor liner, Medesasi floor liner for the 2018 to 2022 Honda Odyssey. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when we notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, full disclosure, I want to start out and saying thank you Medesasi for these floor mats. And I'm not paid by them, but I got these for free for review. And I do want to do a walkthrough on these floor liners. These are all-weather heavy-duty floor liners, by the way. They're rubber and they're good quality. So that's the biggest thing I'm very surprised at. So I'm going to do a walkthrough. So you got the driver's side, the front passenger side, the second row, and the third row one. So I'm going to show you very carefully on these floor liners and if you should buy it, right? So I'm going to do a demo and with a water test and also installation on the rear vehicle so you can see it installed. Notice the designs on these look really nice. I mean, there's a lot of different design and looking nice. These are the quality and the materials looks really good. I'm very impressed by it. So you can see they also have these anti-slip and also these carpet locks, which is great, right? You do need to take your original carpet out before you can install these all-weather guarded heavy-duty floor mats. So to keep that in mind, and you got these nice locks here. I mean, the sizes for the locks are very, yeah, it looks really great fit and finish. I could tell it's going to be a good fit and finish. And you can see the designs. I mean, the design not only looks good, but also traps dirt from your shoes, right? So it's snow or anything like that, right? So it makes it anti-slip, so it won't slip. But it definitely looks good, you know. You got a nice Y to it, right? So you can see that big Y in the middle. And first driver, passenger, first row, or your first front seats, I guess. The second row has these carpet locks. Note the third row doesn't have that. I actually flipped it over right now. You can see the anti-slip. And also the other side of the carpet locks. So you take an eye and examine that, and you notice that when you flip it, you notice there's different contours. It's like different pockets. So if you spill water or something, that it's easier to hold the liquid, you know, or hold the wherever you spilled on before, you know, preventing it from going to the carpet. So that's the main thing. And you can get a closer look at that. So right over here. So it's like one of those things that poke into the carpet, right? This one is not too intrusive. Some of them are very intrusive, which is really uncomfortable in a way. So these are just pretty reasonable, I guess. You know, it's gonna hold the floor mat from slipping on the carpet. So what you have here is a water test. I'm gonna do the nice water test. So I had the Swift Jet. And I pretty much filled the bottle. You can see that over there. I'm just gonna pour this whole thing here. Heck with it, right? Just pour the whole thing here and see how much you can hold. Okay? So I didn't go all the way to the top of the bottle. The bottle is probably like 75% full. And of course, I'm not much of an incline. Your test may differ, but it definitely holds the water pretty good. You can see that. No water is leaking through the carpet locks or anything like that. And that's really great. You know, so if it's leaking through the carpet locks, you know, it's gonna leak either way, right? So if you got, you know, a storm coming in, you got all wet or something, I don't know, you got water in your shoe maybe, right? Yeah, it's worthwhile. Or you spill a liquid down, you know, on your driver's side, for example, or your passenger side, right? You definitely know it's gonna hold. I'm not even talking about the second row. The second row even have more square area that you can spill the liquid on. So yeah, it's real water. You can see that, right? And if you feed it through the hole, it's real water. And notice the one on the left, no water is going through it. So that's impressive. So you can see it's real water. It's not a solid liquid or anything like that. I'm gonna leave this to dry. And yeah, it's a really good. Okay, well, next I want to show you how it looks. This is how it really looks if you're outside with these floor liners, right? These heavy-duty floor liners. These heavy-duty rubber floor liners in your vehicle, and you open the door, you have sunlight bouncing against it, and this is how it looks like. It's pretty nice. I mean, I think the color Looks really nice, and the quality looks really nice in this particular one. Yes, it just came from a box that's folded. Yes, I have the second one upside down. Thank you, folks. I know somebody's gonna put a comment there. The third row, yes, these doesn't have a carpet lock because it doesn't have it on the vehicle. That's why they didn't put it on there. So you can see the design over here, and these are nice heavy-duty rubber floor mats, right? And you don't want to spend a lot of money on these, but you want something that definitely protects your investment, your vehicle, and also your carpet at the same time. And also you don't want to invest time cleaning your carpet and it's all dirty, right? So yeah, it has nice design. I mean, I don't know, it looks like different design, different directions. It looks really good. I mean, I think they spend quite a bit of time, you know, designing the product, not only a fit and finish, right? So it's a good quality product, you know. That's the opposite side. I'm gonna flip it around and see better detail on that. But notice there's some edges over there in the third row that also holds quite a bit of water. The second one as well. The second one is more geared towards the kids and stuff like that spill liquid. You can see from over there. You got the front driver, front passenger. Yeah, you quite a bit of lining over there on the side that hold quite a bit of water. How you notice from the other test, it's going to be a you know, definitely a great product. You can just, how easy it is to clean it, just wipe it off. You don't need to vacuum, just take it out, you know, and just bounce, you know, like hit against the wall or something like that to clean it, right? Or you just spray water with a garden hose if it's dirty. You know, it's easy to clean when it's vinyl. It's not easy to clean in this carpet though. That's the thing. Yeah. And these carpet locks, I call them carpet locks. You can post it in the comments if you know the real name of it. And they lock in place pretty good. So I'm gonna do a demonstration after that. I do want to show you the other side of it again because this is outside, and the other one I did was more like inside. So this is the opposite side. You know, usually people don't show you the opposite side of the product. I do want to show you the opposite side so you could get a better picture of the product, right? You also got the locks. They don't come off, right? So that's the thing. You know, it's not those cheap ones that keep coming off. And these rubber are, you know, not too thick and not thin at all. So that's kind of like really more at the higher end quality spectrum, right? So you can see the Y. I have them upside down. Sorry, folks. But yeah, you can see the grip part, you know, anti-slip part. So, but you have the wheel locks. It still will hold it. So either way, you know, it just won't be a problem. So keep that in mind. So looking at the back one, yeah, if you flip it over, you can see, yeah, some points are pretty aggressive, I guess. Some products like this, yeah, you can see it over here. Yeah, it's nicely rounded. So next I'm gonna show you on a 2020 Honda Odyssey, which is similar to 2021, similar to 2019, similar to 2022, right? 2018 to 2022 Honda Odyssey, right? It's my friend's van. We're gonna installation fit test and see how it fits overall on his particular vehicle. So first I'm gonna start on the driver's side. You can see over here, I just, you know, fit it in over here, and a little bit adjustable. You can move it around because, you know, I just put it in. Notice that it fit and finish anywhere around the corners are pretty nice overall, and nothing's gonna be 100% fit, so you know, keep that in mind. Now if you're at the 3 and 9 position, standing the other direction, you know it's gonna be unlocked. Like right now it's unlocked. Just keep in mind if you're facing the other direction in front of it. So to lock it, you're gonna do like this, right? That would be locked. Most important, you need to take the carpet out. Then you could install these, right? Otherwise, you won't be able to get the mechanism to lock. And these, you know, you just wiggle around if you want to get the best direction. Yes, there's a little bump, but very minor over there. You can see that that area over time will work its way out because, you know, it was crushed in the box. It got forced into the box. But it shouldn't bother you when you're driving like that in particular, right? So I can tell you these floor mats, I'm very impressed for the price, what you're getting in terms of also value for the product. I mean, these are not OEM, of course, right? It doesn't have the OEM Honda logo or anything like that in particular, right? But definitely fit and finish is great. So let's take a look at the fit and finish on the front passenger side, right? So you notice the position of these carpet locks. They're facing that direction, all right? No carpet. You must take the carpet out before you put these in. So it's not meant to have carpet inside. I'm gonna adjust it here a little bit. Make sure you do adjustment first before you you lock it in place. You don't want to lock it in place then try to do adjustment. So you notice the contours, all the edges. When you spill liquor or something in there, yeah, it's definitely gonna hold it for you. So that's the good news. And you see all the different corners. To clean it, you just take it out, just unlock it and take it out and spray with your garden hose, for example, right? That's all you need to do, right? You don't need to do anything else. You don't have to clean the carpet. It covers your carpet. So let's take a look at the installation over here for the second row. So I'm going to install the second row over here, and voila. And notice the edges in particular, right? Especially the entry to the vehicle is not protruding up, so you won't trip over it. And also the ends over there, it really contours really well. So whoever designed these floor mats for the Honda Odyssey spent their time doing it. These are good quality rubber floor mats. They're heavy duty floor mats. So if you spill something on it, you got it dirty, just take it out and rinse it off with water, right? Or if something very minor, you just use a towel or something, wet towel, and just wipe it. And remember, it's the 6 and 12 to lock it. Just keep that in mind, right? So this one has a car seat balancer, like a leg or something that sticks out. But that'd be interesting. So you notice the end piece over there, right? I'm going to show you the other side so you can take a look at that as well. And this is the third one. The last piece actually on the third row. And yeah, notice it fit and finish, and again, it's really good. So these don't have carpet locks because the vendor doesn't have any carpet locks from Honda. But boy, they definitely fit really well in this vehicle. There's no problems that you need to resize or trim or anything in particular. So I'm very impressed with that quality, fit and finish, the material. These are heavy duty, great rubber floor mats, so I would say. So if you're shopping for some, definitely consider looking at this one. So here's the end piece. You see that? And you can slow the camera, you can see that again. But yeah, fit and finish is great. There's no tripping hazard. The biggest thing is the driver, and gas pedal and brake is the most important area. And notice that a lot of clearance, so that's really great. So that's one you want to look for in a rubber floor mat liner in particular, right? So, and again, that's the front passenger one. You can see over here, I mean, actually it matches the color to the vehicle really well too, but I don't know if you noticed that in particular. So I'm gonna do my normal review of the pros and cons. So the biggest thing I would say, okay, pros and cons, what I like and what I didn't like. So my opinion only, first of all, these definitely are worthwhile to buy because they're very good quality, nice thick rubber, and it's fit and finish is great. You can see that nothing's gonna be 100%, of course, right? So you're gonna save quite a bit of cash getting this one, and you're gonna prevent the carpet from getting dirty. You don't want to spend the time cleaning it. So, and it contours and holds a lot of water. The only thing I didn't like is basically it doesn't seem to have a logo in particular on these floor mats. So that's the only thing. Hopefully you like this video. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Please help me leave a comment if it helps others, and see you next time. Bye.